Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Today's going to be a fun video. Today, we're going down to Boerne, Texas to buy a gun from Demolition Ranch. Alright guys, so we're here, downtown Boerne. Walking up to Montecuma Firearms. I'll show you as much as I can, but let's get in there. In the new DP12 signed by the guys. Especially Batty. Alright guys, so I'm leaving the gun shop where Matt Carricker, Matt Best, Brandon Herrera, Donut, Drewski, Batty, Eli, all of them were. Bought myself a new DP12, a new really unique, awesome gun. And I got all of them to sign it. Once I get home, pull it out of the box and I'll show y'all. But yeah, let's just say it was a great day today. Alright guys, so we're back at the house with my new shotgun, my new DP12 that I got signed by everybody. Here it is in all of its glory with all of its new signatures. Got it signed by Batty, Demo, Donut, Brandon Herrera, the AK guy, Clean, Matt Best, Eli Double Tap, and of course Operator Drewski. It's definitely going to be a safe queen. I do really want to shoot this shotgun because it is a pretty expensive shotgun and it's also really awesome. Really unique shotgun. But I am incredibly scared to touch it right now because if you touch any of these, as you can see, I accidentally put my thumb on Demo, it smudges very easily. So I'm going to have to find a way to get this coated to get the shotgun basically protected. And once I can get it coated, then I'm going to take this out to the range and I'm going to shoot it. So look forward to a video at that. So that's about it guys. I got to go meet some of the biggest YouTubers out there, gun tubers and streamers. And it was just an awesome day. So I really want to say thanks to everybody who hosted the event, Montecuma Firearms, and also thanks to all the guys that were there. So Demo, AK guy, Donut, all of you guys that really make that awesome content that inspire people like me to make my own YouTube channel. Just being out there, shaking everybody's hand, being super cool, super nice to everybody, and signing their shotguns. Yeah, it's awesome. So that's gonna end the video. Thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.